Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change your experience level in Upwork. Now let's begin. Right here, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface. Right now, what we need to do is simply go to our profile. At the top right, here's your profile picture. That's profile and accounts. Simply click on it. Well, there are lots of options here, but worry not. What we need to do is simply click on this Your Profile section right here. Once you're in this section, well, you can see something like this. That's your profile. And right now, what we want to do is simply edit them. Right next to your profile picture, you'll see something like Profile Settings. Click on the button right here. Then you'll be in the settings page. Well, there are lots of things like visibility, project preference and everything. Just scroll down a bit and you'll find this thing called experience level. Well, here are three things like entry level, intermediate and expert. Select the experience level of your choice. And guys, that's it. That's how you change the experience level in Upwork. It's quite easy. I hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.